Hi everyone, today we're having a refreshing shrimp salad 2 ways. Let me show you. Using 1.5 pounds of jumbo-sized shrimp, y'all, that have been peeled and deveined. I'm cooking them in some extra virgin olive oil, about a couple of tablespoons that I heated over medium-low heat. Once I got them pink on one side, I'm going to sprinkle just about a teaspoon of black pepper. This is coarse black pepper I'm using. And then I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning on them. Don't want to overcook these, so it's going to be just about 3 to 4 minutes or less, just until they are pink on both sides. I'm ready to scoop them out of the pan and onto this cutting board. And I'm going to let them cool for about a couple of minutes. I'm cutting them in half because I want them into bite-sized pieces for my salad. And this should do it. You can leave them whole, or you can, cut them into the pieces that you desire. And I desire bite-size. For the dressing, I'm measuring out a cup of mayo. Get that nice cup going. Of course, you can use more. And then I'm going to add, this is some sweet chili sauce I'm adding to our mayo. About, let me see, let's start with the 4th cup. A little bit more. And then I'm going to just kind of dash in about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. That's about 2 teaspoons, a little bit more. And then I'm going to sprinkle in with it another teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And a little bit more, y'all, of course, black pepper. Just a little bit. And I'm going to give that a whisk. Good little whisk. I'm going to squeeze in some juice from half of a lemon. About a tablespoon that's coming out. Whisk that in. A little taste to see if there's anything I need to add. Ooh, yeah, and there isn't. The sauce is delicious, on point. My shrimp. Now to it, I'm going to dump a half cup of chopped celery, half cup of red onion, I have about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill that I chopped, and I have 2 boiled eggs that I forgot to chop beforehand, so I'm just going to cut it up in my hand like this. Just toss them right in the bowl with the other ingredients. Kind of chop them up a little fine if I can, but if I can't, that's okay too. Mix it all in a little bit. Oh, look at those colors, y'all. This is going to be so good, y'all. So good. Now I'm going to pour it on this delicious dressing. Start with about a half of it at a time. Kind of mix that in. Kind of seeing the consistency I want, or how much dressing I actually want it to be coated, y'all. I see now I just want to go with half of the dressing because you don't want it swimming in the salad dressing. You just want it to be nicely coated every single bite, and I have that little coat, just the right amount, right here in this bowl already. So I am going to scrape around the bowl, and what I want to do is I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit more celery on the top of it. I got some parsley flakes, some fresh parsley I want to add at the top just as well, like I'm doing here. And since I like dill, y'all, I got some dill over here, and I'm just gonna just pull out a little bit, sprig more of it, and kind of sprinkle a little bit more of that on my salad as well. I'm gonna leave it right here in this bowl, y'all. I'm gonna cover it, y'all, with some, let me see, I got some plastic wrap that's already open. Cover it. And we're gonna let this chill for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator, y'all, to seal in that lovely flavor. Once it's chilled, y'all, have it on top of your favorite lettuce along with some tomatoes if you desire, or between your favorite bread of choice. And today I am choosing, y'all, croissant. Either way, you are going to enjoy, y'all, this winner right here. Shrimp salad. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.